Hello everyone, welcome to this session of Learning French. In this video, we're gonna do how to make close-ended questions with the help of ask and inversion in French. So let's begin. So to be able to make a question, we just need to, in the case of ask, we just need to add ask in front of any simple sentence. That is the syntax here, just to make a question. Here's an example. Tu aimes le français? Est-ce que tu aimes le français? You like French? Do you like French? Il va bien. He's okay. Est-ce que il va bien? Is he okay? So just edit ask here. Vous avez vu ce film? Nothing to change, but just add ask. Ask vous avez vu ce film? Here are the meanings. You saw the movie? Have you seen the movie? This movie. Now we'll move to inversion. What is inversion? Let's have a look. Normal cases, a sentence starts with the subject and followed by the verb. But if you start a sentence with a verb and followed by the subject, in that case, it's a question. Here is an example. Il est, and then if you change it, est-il. Now what is the meaning? It means he is, and this is he. So it has become a question here. Now in case of il, elle, on, if we are doing inversion, we have to put extra t between the verb and the subject pronoun. Here is an example. Elle parle. Now if we do inversion here, it will be parle-t-elle. We have put extra t because there will be two vowels facing each other, and just to avoid the pronunciation hurdle, this t is there, but it doesn't have any specific meaning. Example is on écoute, écoute-t-on. We listen, do we listen? Il parle, parle-t-elle. He speaks, she speaks, does she speak? So it has become a question, right? Now we'll talk about how to do inversion if a sentence is starting with a noun rather than the subject pronoun. Let's have a look. Here is a sentence. Ce fruit est bon. Now this ce fruit is a noun, and after that there is a verb and then the object. So in standard case, if we are to do inversion, what we will do is we will start the sentence with être and then ce fruit bon. But that's not correct in the case of if a sentence is starting, because the sentence is starting with the noun. So in such case, what we do is we follow this thing. We leave the noun as it is. We don't actually make change in the syntax of it, but what we will do is we will put extra subject pronoun for this particular noun after the verb, and that's how it has become a question. Ce fruit est-il bon? This will be the correct way of making it. Now we'll see some examples to understand it better. Let's have a look at the syntax. In this case, noun will be there. We don't touch it, we don't make any changes to the syntax of noun, but there will be verb, and after the verb we will put a subject pronoun for this particular noun. Let's have an example here. Here is an example. Cette voiture est à vendre. This car is for sale. Correct? Now we are starting the sentence with the noun itself, cette voiture est, and since the voiture is a feminine, we are putting a subject pronoun for it, elle. Cette voiture est-elle à vendre? Let's take another example. Les profs ont puni la classe. Les profs ont puni la classe. The professors punished the class. Now in this case we will not move this, it will be at its place only, and we are putting extra pronoun. Why? Pronoun is in accordance with this, right? Like the previous sentence, L is in accordance with the noun, right? Voiture is feminine, so that's why we have put L here. Here le prof, it's third person plural, so we are putting il for it. So les profs ont-ils puni la classe? Let's take another example. Robert cherche la solution. Robert is looking for solution. Now Robert, it's a name, it's singular third person, correct? So for singular third person we are putting il here. Now if you see, we have put extra t also because these two walls are facing, we have discussed it in the previous slide. So here we are putting extra t, and this il is for Robert. So that's how we do inversion in case any sentence is starting with a noun. I hope you like the video, and please like it, subscribe it, and we need more subscribers. Thank you so much.